Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you play in the center of the park, if you're a center midfielder, if you're a number 10, or if you're a striker, you got to be able to turn your defender with one touch of the ball. So when you're receiving a pass from your teammate, you got to be able to turn, beat a defender. So today I'm going to be going over 5 signature skill turns that you can learn and you can master and you can use in your own game to beat defenders in 1v1 situations when they're on your back and in tight spaces. We're going to be going over Phil Foden's signature turn, the signature turn of Sergio Busquets, the signature turn of Thiago Alcantara, Frenkie de Jong's signature turn, and none other than Dennis Bergkamp's. Let's get into the video. It's pretty windy out here today. Alright, first up, Phil Foden's signature turn has a 180-degree pull turn with the inside of his foot. Really focus on that first touch of the ball with the inside of the foot. Pull it nice. Set yourself up to take it away cleanly from the defender. You got to be concentrated. You want to be quick and precise when you do pull it and take it away, but you don't want to be thinking about that too quick ahead. First off, you got to get there and just focus on making contact with the ball. Don't overthink it. You want your timing and rhythm to be spot on. All right, next one up, Sergio Busquets. It's a little variation of Phil Foden's. We're gonna start out just the same. Start out with that pull, but we're gonna chop it back. So this is a 180-degree pull and then a chop, or a pull push. Pull push. So we're baiting that defender, acting like we're going this way, but we're gonna pull it and then push it back the opposite direction. Pull, push. If you can master these two first turns, Foden's and Busquets, they pair well together, because after you do Foden's a few times in the game, you start doing Busquets, because they're gonna think you're going that way. You chop it back, push it back, go the opposite way. Again, pull, push. Ball's coming in, get a look over your shoulder, see the defender, push. Third signature turn is Thiago Alcantara's hop feint turn. Ball's coming in, he throws a leg dangle fake hop, takes it with the outside of his foot. First and foremost, with all these turns, you want to get a check over your shoulders, see where the defenders are, to know which turn to use. Thiago's, ball's coming in, he's looked over his shoulder, he throws a leg dangle feint and a hop, and then he's going to take it with the outside of his right foot, like this. In addition to the leg dangle hop, you can also dip the shoulder to the opposite side to really sell it. Fake the defender like you're going the opposite way. And it's nice because you're setting yourself up momentum-wise to just take it with the outside of your right foot. You're dipping, and then you can push off to go this way. Alright, next up is a little different one. It's Frenkie de Jong's stepover feint turn. So this is when a defender, you're in the center of the pitch. You're a center midfielder, the defender's closing you down, but you've received a pass from your teammate. It's coming in, you took a touch, you settled it. The ball could be dead, it could be moving a little bit still. What you're gonna do is step in one direction and then spin out. And you're taking it the opposite direction. Mixes it up. Sometimes he steps over completely and takes it Sometimes it's simply like that, and then darting away. Go both directions. This one's really good for when the defender's been closing you down tight all game, but the defender's really jumpy. So he's gonna bite any movement you go. So, just real quick, step, dart off in the other direction. Boom, boom. All you need is that split second that the defender thinks you're going this way. He's too jumpy, he's too tight, and you got loads of space now. Frenkie de Jong's step over feint. Alright, we had to save the most notorious turn skill of all time for last. Dennis Bergkamp's spinning flick turn. He did this against Newcastle in 2002, I want to say, at the top of the box. Like I was saying, this goes for center midfielders, number 10s playing under the striker and the striker. Anytime you're in the center of the pitch, you got to be able to turn on when a defender's on your back with an incoming pass. So again, ball's coming in, defender's here, you flick it around the defender that way, you spin out the other way, and you retrieve it right here. Works well when you're at the top of the box like he was, and just a defender to beat. Here it goes. You retrieve it, finish it. So again, coming in, flick, spin, boom. Flick, spin, boom. Flick, spin, boom. Alright, there you have it, guys. 5 signature skill turns that you can use all over the pitch, especially if you play in the center of the park. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite skill turn, and also let me know other skills tutorials you want me to make. Alright guys, thank you. Peace.